To verify your company's account, first go to your admin console and select Settings. Scroll down to the Members section and then select Domains. Next, click the blue Add Domain button. Type in the company domain you want to verify ownership of, and then click Next. Choose one of the 3 verification methods.
You can either add meta tags, upload an HTML file, or create a TXT record. For the first 2 options, you'll probably need access to modify the code on your website to do this. If you don't have access to directly modify your website, or if you don't have a website hosted at the domain you want to verify, choose to create a TXT record on your domain host's website.
You're almost done. Follow the instructions you receive and complete verification. Be sure to look out for an email letting you know that the verification of domain ownership was successful.